Well, it's been more than a year since a former Georgia prosecutor was indicted, and now she finally has a date for an arraignment hearing. Jackie Johnson was the district attorney for Brunswick, an area in South Georgia. She's charged with 2 felonies, accused of hindering a police investigation into the killing of Ahmaud Arbery. Gregory McMichael, his son Travis, and neighbor William Roddy Bryant chased Arbery, a black man, while he was jogging through a neighborhood. They believe that he may have stolen items from a home under construction, and when Travis McMichael confronted Arbery with a gun, the two struggled over it before Arbery was shot 3 times. The 3 white men said that they were trying to make a citizen's arrest, but they were ultimately convicted at trial of murder. A judge from a nearby county was assigned Johnson's case because all the judges in the county where Arbery was killed recused themselves. Brian, you've been following this, more than a year between being charged and getting an arraignment hearing. That seems very unusual to me.
Jesse, it's extremely unusual for a post-indictment arraignment. Usually these happen weeks after an indictment, not 14 months. But Georgia will finally see former Brunswick Judicial Circuit District Attorney Jackie Johnson face 2 felony charges for allegedly hindering the prosecution of the now convicted murderers of Ahmaud Arbery. We were there, Jesse, if you remember. From that trial, Law&Crime brought these proceedings for gavel-to-gavel coverage of the death of Ahmaud Arbery, with interviews with Wanda Cooper Jones, Ahmaud Arbery's mother, Lee Merritt, and from the defense attorneys in the case. Now, according to the Attorney General's office handling Johnson's case, this case almost never happened because Johnson allegedly told police not to arrest Travis or Gregory McMichael after the shooting death of Ahmaud Arbery. Gregory McMichael, the father, worked for Johnson's office as an investigator. Johnson was indicted September 2nd of 2021 and has been out on bond since. Her arraignment isn't until December 29th, where she will be read her charges and likely plead not guilty. Also, on top of that, a motion will also be reviewed as Johnson's attorneys say, quote, not a scintilla of evidence, unquote, shows Johnson told 2 Glenn County officers not to arrest the McMichaels. Now, Johnson also faces a violation of office charge. I think this is a difficult one as well, because this is for allegedly not treating Arbery's family fairly and with dignity, that she showed favor to her former employee, Greg McMichael, and failed to tell the AG's office that she consulted District Attorney Barnell about the case before recommending it to him. It was there that we were there for the trial. Openings, closing, there's no love lost between Brunswick County and Glenn County for Jackie Johnson. And with the state and federal convictions of the McMichaels, I think this is gonna be a difficult case for Johnson.
Yeah, Terry, so Brian mentioned Ahmaud Arbery's mother, Wanda Cooper Jones, and she fought long and hard for this case to move forward. At the end of the day, what can be done more to ensure that this type of interference doesn't happen again in a different case?
Well, let's hope it doesn't happen again. But what she did was she stayed vigilant. She made sure she stayed on top of this case. And one of the things that you have to do, because the criminal justice system is difficult enough, but then when it's stacked against you, you have to have someone by your side helping you. And she had attorneys by her side who made sure they stayed on top of what was happening in this case. And they found out what was going on, and they were the ones who brought it to the attention of the authorities. And basically, if you want to get to the source of this type of unethical behavior, you have to train lawyers what they're supposed to do and not to do.
Yeah, she's in a lot of hot water. And by the way, the 3 men who chased down Ahmaud Arbery and filmed his death, they were found guilty on all counts, including murder in Georgia, as well as counts in their federal hate crimes trial. Now, prosecutors said that the men chased Arbery because he was black. Greg and Travis McMichael both received a life sentence on the state charges, as well as another life sentence for the federal charges. As for William Roddy Bryant, he was given life in prison with the possibility of parole in 30 years, plus another 35 years for the hate crimes charges.